kailan mo na-realize that ang ina mo ay ang nag-iisang superstar at ang tatay mo ay si Christopher De Leon?
When si mom, na-realize ko na superstar siya. Kasi every Sunday before Superstar show, di ba?
Okay.
So, she would leave. She would ask me for a favor na Betamax pa yon. O anak, pagkatapos ng Price is Right, i-press mo na yung record dyan sa Betamax. Diba? Kasi pagkatapos yun ng Price is Right, Bob Barker. So, manunod muna ako ng Price is Right. And pag ano na,
Ito na.
Ito na, Superstar. So, tumatak yung Superstar. And everybody's calling her Superstar. And I would start to see her sa mga tabloids. Kasi nagkakaroon na ako ng awareness sa environment ko. So, pag ganun, wow, superstar. Tapos may mga kita akong picture, ang daming fans, pinagkakaguluhan siya. Tapos there was this one time, Tito Boy, na guest ako sa Superstar show. Natakot ako sa mga tao. Dahil pagpasok namin sa studio before, sa RPN 9, kinagalabog yung kotse, Tito Boy. So I was really scared. So tinanong ko sa ma, ganito ba yung pagiging superstar? Yung parang kakainin ka na ng tao. Sabi niya, anak, okay lang yan, huwag ka matakot. Tignan mo sila. So tinignan ko sila isa-isa. People were crying, people were so ecstatic na alam nilang nandun si Nora Honor sa loob ng kotse. And I was like, nakaganon ako kay Mami. And she would like, okay lang yan, anak. Okay lang yan, anak.
Alam mo ba, Ian, na ang nanay mo ay nag-iisang superstar.
Yes.
Pero you had to experience what it was to be with her, to actually experience, to appreciate what it was. Kasi ako, alam naman ng lahat, I'm die-hard Noranian po ako.
Opo.
Pag sinugatan niyo po ako, ang lalabas Nora Honor. Pero naunawaan ko yun, naiintindihan ko pinagkakaguluhan, hindi makapasok sa sinehan. Until one time, I was with her, she made an appearance, Cubao. So there was a show, so nagkakagulo, ang dami-dami tao. Alam mo ba na doon ko lamang naranasan na they would do a false exit?
Yes, all the time.
Alam mo yun?
Yes, all the time.
Doon ko talaga nakita na, kunyari, aalis si Ate Guy para kumonte ang mga tao. Di-exit na halimbawa yung auto, and then wala na si Ate Guy, pero hindi pa rin aalis ang tao. I don't know what sense it was that people had na, hindi pa umaalis si Ate Guy.
That is parang psychic
Iba,
abilities, no? Kasi yun yung time, Tito Boy, na like what I was saying, na tumatak sa akin na superstar si Mami. Kasi people were calling her superstar. And I was wondering why she being called superstar. I can see her awards. I was there. She would always bring me along sa mga awards night niya. So she would get all these trophies. And she would make a speech. Maraming salamat. And people would stand up and applause.
Yeah.
And may mga concerts siya. People would stand up. Standing ovation lagi. So I got a sense of who she was.
Yeah, right.
So yung mga times na yun, Mom, special.
Na priceless moments.
Mom was so special and I was really proud of her.
Beyond special. World Trade Center, Dubai.
Yeah.
Kasama po ako ni Ate Guy. Doon ko naman nakita yung ipinupuna sa kanya ang mga panyo.
Yes, Tito Boy. Like,
Kita mo yun?
Yes, lagi. Like Tito Boy, like you were saying, yung parang may mga sixth sense yung mga fans. It's like, na-experience ko yun eh. Kunyari may maliit na, like, well, we all know she's 4'11".
Yes.
Diba? So, kunyari, may maliit na lumabas, tas mga guards nila lalabas. So, people would have their attention there. Mommy would walk out the other way.